save all your leads into your Zoho CRM, then you are on the right video. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can save all your leads in your Zoho CRM. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free in your Zoho CRM, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Ads. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. We have received the webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. Now in this campaign, make sure that you have added the lead form. So I've added the lead form and I've just selected the details like the name, email, phone number and the company name. If you want, you can definitely select more details too. After selecting the details, you just have to scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this. Now it is asking for the webhook URL and the key. So for the webhook URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, and now you have to enter a key and then click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent successfully. So let's just open our workflow, and as you can see, Pabbly has captured this test data 3 seconds ago. You're going to see we have the company name, the phone number, the email address and the name of the lead, and yes, these are the test details or the sample details. Now you have two options. The first option is click on this recapture webhook response and then yes, and then wait until you receive a real lead in real time. The second option which you have is that you can create the automation using the test lead details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. No need to worry. Okay, so I'll just suggest you do this. I'm just also going to create this automation using the test lead details. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Zoho CRM over here, and then we're going to select Zoho CRM. For the event, I am going to select it as create contact and then click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. It is asking for the domain. So to get this domain, just open your Zoho CRM account, and in the URL you're going to get the domain, which is after this crm dot and before slash crm. So just copy and paste the domain. For me, the domain is zoho.in, but for you it can be anything from below too. Then click on this save. Make sure that your Zoho CRM is logged in before starting with the automation. Now Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us. No need to worry. Now with this, we have created the connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the lead source. So the lead source is advertisement, so I'm just going to keep it as same. If you want, you can definitely change it right from here. After the lead source, it is asking for the first name, last name, email and so on. So we're just going to enter the details. So first of all, we're only going to enter the details which we have. As you can see, this last name and email is required because it has this star in front of them. So these both are required. Apart from that, if you want, you can fill in the details. If you don't want, you can leave it as blank. The second most important thing is that we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we start this, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the details right over here, and in order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the details like this and then map it, and you're going to see that we have successfully mapped these details. Now it is asking me for many other details, but all of these details are not the required ones. If you want, you can definitely fill it out. Otherwise, leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. You're going to see we have received the positive response which says success. This means that we have successfully created a new contact contact in Zoho CRM. Okay, so let's just open our Zoho CRM. You're going to see we right now have only a single contact, but when we're going to refresh this, yes, the contacts will turn into 2 and the new contact details are added right over here, be it name, be it email or be it phone number. Yes, the details are added, and with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from this Google Ads, instantly the lead details will be added in my Zoho CRM. And you know what I have to do? I just have to sit back and relax, and all of this is going to happen in backend. I don't have to come back and again to my workflow. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, and for more automation tips and tutorials, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Instead of Google Ads, you can use any another application too. We have multiple videos connecting Zoho CRM with multiple another applications on our YouTube channel. You can refer to that and create the automations using Zoho CRM very easily and for free today. Further, if you like Pabbly Connect, don't forget to check this discount coupon code. It can get you a very heavy discount. The discount coupon code is RITYT. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video with many more automation tips and tricks. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.